Like last time. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Great day.
Alright.
Oh no!
Someone's phone.
Oh no! That's why you don't. Your phone's secure, right? Your phone's secure, right? Oh no! Push it on the iPhone 16 too.
Worth the wait.
That was definitely worth the wait, yeah. Except for all the bugs I got pelted with.
Yeah, there was definitely some bugs.
This straight area I got
Hit a
pelted.
couple.
You get a couple new
flyer
friends.
or something.
You get a couple new friends.
Wow.
Oh, that was definitely worth it.
That was intense.
You get a couple new friends.
Wow.
Definitely worth the wait.
That was worth it.
Dude, the G-forces.
That was insane.